forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Thursday as a result of mixed employment data which showed a fall in new jobless claims, but a rise in continuing claims, and after an increase in global risk appetite helped by the Chinese trade data. The greenback ended the day at 1.3380 to the euro and 96.73 to the yen. Today's data includes wholesale inventories, which are expected to increase by 0.4% in June, and wholesale trade sales, which are expected to rise by 0.7% month on month. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Thursday, buoyed by a surge in global risk appetite following the release of Chinese data, which showed an unexpected rise in exports of 5.1% in July, as well as a 10.9% rise in imports. The single currency ended the day at 1.3380 to the dollar and 129.39 to the yen. British pound. The pound was boosted by a rise in positive sentiment on Thursday after the release of better than expected trade data from China. Sterling ended the day at 1.5537 to the dollar and 0.8610 to the euro. Today's economic news includes the trade balance, which is expected to show a fall in the deficit to minus 2,200 million from minus 2,435 million previously. Construction output in June is expected to rise by 0.2% from minus 4.8% previously. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Thursday after safety flows dried up following a rise in global risk appetite as a result of data from China, which showed a robust recovery in trade activity in July. The yen ended the day at 96.73 to the dollar and 150.22 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3345 with targets at 1.3415 and 1.345 in extension. Below 1.3345, which will look for further downside with 1.331 and 1.329 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.548 with targets at 1.5595 and 1.5675 in extension. Below 1.548, which will look for further downside with 1.5435 and 1.5385 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 96.9 with targets at 95.7 and 95.15 in extension. Above 96.9, which will look for further upside with 97.45 and 97.8 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.